Curls. The dumbbell curls might possibly be the most seen movement in gyms around the world. Basically, you're creating bicep engagement and focusing on the bicep muscle by standing up. Your palms are going to be facing out, arms down at your side with the dumbbells in hand. And then you're curling up, trying to keep the elbows tight to your side so the elbows aren't moving forward and back and the elbows aren't moving outward as you curl up, bringing that hand all the way as high as you can towards your shoulders and then lowering it back down to the starting position.